Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this ghost transition on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to the video transition part, so like here, split that, copy and paste it on top of each other. Sorry about that. And I'm just going to make the clip smaller. Then you are going to add in a keyframe on scale, and then at the end you're going to want to zoom in to the video. Okay, maybe not that zoomed in. Hold on. Nope, did I even scale it? No. I did not. Okay, maybe that much. Okay, so once you're done, you're just going to simply select animation and go to out and select the fade out animation and just adjust the duration till the end of the video. And that's basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!